Our beautiful world has become one of the busiest planet with IT revolution.
明天找一个那种限定性的。刚开始我去厦门找我朋友，
which has served as a catalyst for electronic connectivity, enhanced productivity growth, facilitated the collection of data, spearheaded the transmission of ideas, and extended the reach of economic and social interactions. Since technology is at our fingertips, it tempts us to do multitasking. Multitasking, in the long run, increases our stress level, which further paves the way to three dangerous stresses. Anxiety, depression, and stress, which if go unchecked, have the potential to become full-blown physical and mental issues. Furthermore, multitasking leads us to behavioral addictions and make your brain to become fatigued. Technology has always been with us, and no doubt it has changed the way we have lived. More recently, a smartphone has allowed us to connect to the digital world 24/7. Phone binging is the new budge in today's world. One study has unveiled that millennials check their phones up to 250 times a day. Mobile phone has already turned into a new kind of addictive drug. It's nothing less than cigarette or money addiction. Since it's always in our pockets, so at every possible excuse of boredom, anger, frustration, or stress, we take it out. It gives us such a pleasure, which though short-lived, boosts us with an instant high. It's scary to realize that we human race are turning into puppets whose strings are in total control of a mere digital device called cell phones. You can take a test of this on yourself. Observe how your body reacts at the sound of an email notifications or your social media account or even to the vibration of your phone. You might have come across a person talking on the phone. At that point in time, although he might have been standing in the middle of a busy roadside physically, but in close observation, you will see he is totally disconnected with the outer world or his ambience. Technology is no doubt indeed a revolution. However, the magnetic power of cell phone is so intense that we are getting drawn more and more towards an illusionary world. People have started spending up to 10 hours a day on digital devices. Sadly, in today's world, majority have forgotten the fragrance of a flower, the soft feel of its petal, flattering, colorful butterflies, swaying of leaves of a tree in tune with a cool breeze. Birds chirping, cattle grazing, droplets of rain, breathtakingly beautiful sunrise and sunsets. As our lives revolve mostly around the digital world, Monotasking is dwindling away and is getting replaced by multitasking. Because of multitasking, our mind has got no gaps. It's always busy, trying to complete several tasks at a go. Our family time should be the one which we all should be cherishing for years to come. However, quite in contrary, our family time is losing its quality. Despite our physical proximity with our spouse, partner, friends or colleagues, our minds are miles away into a virtual world. Screen time is eating away our precious family time. We are unable to savor the taste of even the most delicious meals because our minds are lost in thoughts and eyes glued on the screen of a digital device. Friends, before it's too late, let's not ignore the wake-up call to change the path of our lives towards a more fulfilling, joyful life. It's very easy to achieve that by creating a gap. A space. And giving rest to our overworking mind and body by taking a break from our phone. Just one day in a week. I know we all can do that. It's not tough. Just one day. Let's put a pause to our cell phones just for a day. We are drifting away, very far from our origin, our base, which is nature. Nature has the power to heal us from within, because it is where we belong, and it is where we are from. One of the studies shows that some of the doctors have started prescribing nature as a treatment for some mental and physical health issues where patients are encouraged to spend more time with nature. Just after walking 20 minutes into nature, cortisol, the stress hormone, starts to decrease, and result is decreasing curve of anxiety, depression and stress. And quite in contrary, heightened empathy along with being physically active and joyful. One of the studies reported that after walking into nature for an hour, you will experience a bigger attention span, an increased ability to solve complicated questions which might have been bothering you for a while. There is an increased sea change in your creative and productive mind which was dormant and was piled up within the layers of thoughts and no gap busy mind. If we can afford multi-day outing by unplugging ourselves from the digital world and reconnecting with nature, we are sure to reap the priceless benefits which no money can buy. We don't have to pay anything to achieve that. It's for free, and the gift is priceless. It's the time to embrace nature with widely open arms. for a beautiful, healthy, and peaceful life. Friends, before I take your leave, let me take you to an amazing experience of nature shower. Right here and right now. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Now, focus on any of the leaves slowly floating down like a cloud to the ground. I'm sure you will cherish this moment of being in this beautiful place. Let's enjoy the moment together till the last. Happy nature shower. Be happy and stay blessed. Thank you so much for being with me here in this beautiful place.